Tyler pulled this way. I'm crying.
Interested to become better.
I didn't think they were gonna do that. Holy shit.
You can't leave him in the hallway. It's too hot.
Oh my god, they got him in there.
Still sleeping.
Close it, you gotta close it. No, that one. Close that one. It worked. Oh my god.